What's up, you guys? It's Lauren and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Lauren. So great to meet you. If you're not new here, welcome back. I'm so happy to have you. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro and it is stunning. Before this, I had the iPhone XS. So I think I got that in 2019. And the real reason that I wanted a new phone and an upgrade was because I do influencing, so I needed a way better camera to shoot my pictures and to help shoot YouTube videos if I'm out in public. And I don't want to have like my big camera. I used to use my phone and it just did not look good. It was super grainy. So that's why I decided to upgrade to the 13 Pro. So I'm super excited about it. I did do the setup in store, but it was super easy. Basically, you just back everything up to iCloud on your old phone. If you haven't already, it's probably gonna take like a whole night to do it. So make sure you do that, otherwise they're literally gonna send you home. That happened to me the first time. And then once you do that, you have the new phone, you just sign into your iCloud and then everything shows up. Your apps, your text, your photos, all your contacts, everything gets transferred. You just have to remember the password so you can sign in to the apps on the new phone. I got the silver color and I got it in the 256 gigabytes because I used to have like 64 and I constantly was deleting stuff and it was a nightmare. So I just decided to go big and get the 256. I was sent home with this cute bag and obviously the box. I was between the Pro and the Pro Max, but the Pro Max just is too big for my hands. I don't have that big of hands. So when I would hold it, it was just honestly painful and it was just too big for me. So I decided to go with the Pro, which is still bigger than the phone that I had before. And I really like the size of it. I think it's really nice. So once you open the box, if your phone was in there, it would be here and it has the nice cover on it. So it's completely brand new, no dust or anything on it. That is like the best when you take it out and just like peel everything off. So this is what the phone looks like itself. It has the 3 cameras. My old one only had 2. So it's super nice. And then here is the front of the screen, and then here is how thick it is. This is thicker than my old phone, but it doesn't feel like heavier or anything. It's super, super nice. Here's the other side. It is funny how on these new phones, the buttons on the side are lower, so I keep trying to take a screenshot and clicking up here, but that's where the sound is. So you have to go all the way down there to take the screenshot. So that was just like a little adjustment for me. But I do love the silver color. It's more so like, it's white. I'm not quite sure why it's silver, probably because the sides are silver, but this part of the screen is basically white. So it's super clean. That's why I like the white. It's just like airy and super neutral, which all the colors they have are neutral, but I just really liked the white one. And then this is so weird to me, but they give you the charger cord and no box. Like, come on, Apple. Like, you're constantly switching products on us, like with the chargers and the USBs and everything like that. You can't even give us the box to go with the charger. Like, that just makes no sense to me. It makes no sense. It is the different plug-in from the regular USB. So you do want to get a box that has the thinner like cord that goes in it. Like, not the big USB, but the small one. I don't know if it has like a specific name or not. And that's really all it comes with, is just the phone and the cord. And that's it. I remember, wasn't it when you used to get the phones, it used to have like new headphones and everything like that with it? I recall that. But I didn't buy a case in store just because I feel like they overprice them in store and you can find something like cheaper elsewhere. Which mine wasn't really cheaper, but it was just like outside and it was cuter than what they had. And I got this at a kiosk. I don't know if they have a website or an Instagram, but I got the cutest case. It's this little Chanel case and you can open this up and put like cards in here. This does not get in the way of the camera. As you can see, it kind of overlaps. I have not had any issues with the camera, so you're able to still keep it shut. And then here is the front of it. So once you set up the phone, this is what the screen looks like. This is basically what my old screen was, and all the apps are in the same place. I have used the camera on this already. I shot a bunch of content yesterday and the camera is so bomb. And I took some videos for a YouTube video that I'm filming, and the quality of it's amazing. I feel like the main reason that a lot of people are switching to the 13 Pro is because of the camera. So features that are on this camera that I didn't have on my old one is the cinematic. Basically it adds depth to the video and you're able to change it later on. So I'm gonna do like a screen recording of what it looks like right now so you guys can kind of get an idea of what the depth is and you can see like what I'm looking at. So if I hit cinematic, I am out of focus. I'm still learning how to use this right now. So do certain things come into focus and others go out? So if you go in close, okay, there we go. I'm playing around with this, I don't know how it works. So like if you go back, I'm in focus and the background's out of focus. If you go forward, that's cool. So basically it has a main focus for the picture and then everything around it is blurred. So if I go back, it's basically everything's blurred except the main lens of the camera. It also has the time-lapse option, it has slow-mo, the cinematic that I just showed you, the regular video, a photo, and then it has the portrait, which you can pick a bunch of different lightings for the portrait. So on the actual phone, you can see the camera lens. There's 3 different camera lenses with the flash right there. Immediately, whenever I buy a new phone, I get a screen protector and I have it already delivered at my house. I just go on Amazon because you can buy one for like $7 versus in the store it's gonna be like at least $20. So I asked for a pouch and I put my phone in the pouch, or I'll keep it in this box until I get home. And then I immediately apply the screen protector. I had a screen protector on my last phone and I was able to trade it in at completely new condition, as well as the case that I had worked really well. It was from Wildflower Cases, and I dropped my phone so many times. It was on the tripod that wasn't sturdy and it would fall and hit the ground and there was not a single mark or scratch. So if you want like a really sturdy phone case, I definitely recommend that brand. I can also link the screen protector that I got for this specific phone in the description below. It was super cheap and it's done an amazing job, and they send you 3 different ones. So if this one ever cracks or anything, I'm able to replace it with the other 2 screen protectors that I have, and it was super easy to put on. They gave you a bunch of like wipes, so it looks like super sleek. There's no air bubbles or anything. If you guys have any more specific questions on the phone, feel free to comment below and I will do my best to answer your questions. But I just wanted to kind of share what the camera's like and all of that jazz. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something, and if you're on the fence about upgrading to the 13 Pro, I think it is a really great investment, and especially if it's for pictures, it's definitely worth it because it's a really good camera. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never miss any videos that I post. Also, if you'd like to be notified when I post videos, feel free to hit the bell button so you get a notification every time I post a new video. Like and comment down below, and I will see you all next week with a new video. Bye guys!